Hey everyone, Eric Warner with Sandler Training in Boston. I'm here to talk to you today about everybody's favorite topic, prospecting. And I know sometimes when I say that word, people think it's a four-letter word and maybe we shouldn't say it too loud in public. But where does that come from? Prospecting is the lifeblood of any business. And if we're not prospecting and actively looking for new clients, well, to a degree, our business will slow and eventually it will shrivel up. So no matter if we have a successful business or we're just building and starting a business, we've got to go find new prospects, new first-time conversations to talk about what we do and how we do it. So here's 5 tips that might help you be more successful and effective in your prospecting efforts. First, have a prospecting plan. And I know that sounds simple, but having a series of activities that you do on a regular basis, and regular basis I mean sometimes daily or at the very minimum weekly, that you can look at and say, okay, here's my activities. Yes, I executed these activities on a regular basis. Sometimes prospecting is cumbersome because we wait too long and then all of a sudden the pressure is on. Second, leverage a talk track, not a script. Scripts are obvious, they're easy to see, but a talk track is a series of things that you want to try to get through on your prospecting call. Perhaps you want to interrupt a pattern and get people to not view you like you're advancing a sale on them. Or perhaps you want to create an environment of mutual agreement. Have general themes of things you want to execute in your prospecting plan or in your talk track, but don't have a script that you're going to follow. Third, relax. At the end of the day, prospecting is not easy, and it's also somewhat of a low success activity. Not everybody is in the market for what you sell. And if you can accept that fact that they're not saying no to you, they're not saying no to what you bring to the table, they're saying no to your product or your service, or that their need doesn't exist right now. And that's okay. It's kind of like baseball. Hall of Fame in baseball, if you get on base 30% of your at-bats, you're in the Hall of Fame, right? So also leave your child at home. Prospecting is not a place to get your emotional needs met. And if we're looking for friends in the prospecting process, we put too much pressure on ourselves sometimes and we get beaten down by it. There's no need to get beaten down. It's simply you trying to have a first-time conversation, and not everybody wants to talk to you, and that's okay. And finally, reward yourself. And this one also sounds a bit simple, but if you execute your prospecting activities that are part of your prospecting plan, whether you succeed or not, your goal is to advance the sales process. Your goal is to have another conversation to talk more about what you do. You may not get that every time you do your prospecting activities, but you should reward yourself for doing the activity. And that might mean go take a walk around the building, sit in the sun for 15 minutes, read an article about your favorite sports team, go have a latte, do something to reward yourself after you've executed your prospecting activities so you can feel as though you've accomplished something. Because you should earn a reward. If you'd like to learn more about how to build out your prospecting plan, create your talk tracks, and be more consistent in your prospecting activities, click the link below to learn more about our upcoming prospecting workshop. I hope this has helped. Look forward to talking to you all again soon.